Hello, today I am going to solve some of the questions related to determinants of properties that have come in previous year papers of 12th class determinants. So in previous lecture I have already solved some of the questions and in today's lecture also I am going to cover some questions that will be helpful for you. So let's start with the questions. So I have solved 6 questions in last lectures, and now this is 7th question that I have chosen from the previous year papers. So now let's start. So what it is saying that we have to prove that this left hand side is equals to a minus 1 whole cube. So let's start with, so what properties I can use? I can use here pen. Once again, you need to get this pointer. Why it is not coming? Okay, second. Yes, now so what step we can follow? We have in column 3 all we have 1. So our first aim is that we can make sum of this 0. So and we can make this 0, and as we need this a minus 1, so what we can do so that we can get here a minus 1. So if you subtract this from this, so you will get some. So what I am going to do, I will reduce this. R1 will be replaced with R1 minus R2, and R3 will be replaced with R3 minus R2. Now we will apply this in first step. LHS is equals to, so what we have to do, we have to subtract this R1 row 1 with row 2. So a square plus 2a minus 1. So what you will get here? You will get here a square minus 1. Similarly, if you subtract 2a plus 1 minus a minus 2, so you will get here a minus 1, and this will become third element will become 0. Similarly, second row we will write as it is, 2a plus 1, a plus 2 and 1, and last row R3 minus R2. If you do you subtract 2a plus 1 minus 2, so you can take common here, you will get 2a minus 2. So if you will get 2a minus 2 if you take minus 2 common. So I will write here for your easiness what we are going to do. 2a plus 1 minus 3 will be equal to 2a minus 2. So if you take from here 2a minus 1, so you are going, sorry, not like this, you are subtracting R3 with R2, so 3 minus 2a plus 1, so you are getting minus 2a plus 2. So if you take common from here minus 2, what you will get? You will get here a minus 1. So we will write here a minus 1. Similarly, if you subtract 3 minus a minus 2, so you will get, you can take common from here minus and a minus 1, and last step we will get here 0. Now again what we can do, we are going to take common a minus 1 from where we can take, from this to R1, this R1 and R3, row 1 and row 3. This is our row 1 and this is our row 3. So here you can take a minus 1 common. So this is equals to a minus 1 comes here. So it is left with a plus 1. It is 1 and this one 0. Row 2 we will write as it is, to a plus 1, a plus 2 and 1. Last row it will be a minus 2. We will take common from here also, a minus 1, minus 2, here minus 1 and 0. Now it will become a minus 1 whole square. If you expand this along R2, you have to expand this along R2. So this will go off and this will go off. Okay, so what you are left with, a plus, so it will become minus a minus 1 and like this here and like this, and minus 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 2 it is, so this will become plus 2. Okay, so a plus 1, so it will be a minus a plus 1. So if you take from here you have outside, you have this, if you are subtracting outside with this here minus sign will come from this. So here we have minus sign, so minus minus if you take common, this will become plus. So a minus 1 will be inside and minus will take common, so this will get positive, and here a minus 1 we have, so square, so it is a minus 1 whole cube. So this is equals to right hand side. So we have proved this. Now next question, question number 8. Here we have to prove that right hand side is equals to this 12a plus b plus c, ab, bc and ca. So in this we will apply this property, means this is applicable for any row and any column. So now we are going to apply this property. First property, what we are going to do, we will do C3 is replaced with C1 plus C2 plus C3. I am doing this because if you add these, what you will get? You will get A plus B plus C. In all three columns you will get here A plus B plus C, that you can take common from, for as we see that here in right hand side A plus B plus C is there. So if you do this, left hand side is equals to, so this is equals to, so if you apply this, we will write first two column as it is, 5a minus 2b plus a minus 2c plus a, here minus 2a plus b, 5b minus 2c plus b. Now if you add, you can see this 2a will get subtracted from 5a, so we will get a, b and c. So here first element in column 3 will be a plus b plus c. Similarly, if you add these, 2 minus 2b will be 4b minus 5b is b, and a plus b plus c. So a plus b plus c. Similarly, the third also a plus b plus c we will get. And now we can take common from here a plus b plus c. Okay, so if you take common a plus b plus c, you are left with here as it is, and 5a minus 2b plus a minus 2c plus a, this will be minus 2a plus b, and this will be 5b, and this will be minus 2c plus b, and here 1 1 1. As we got in column 3 all 1, now we can make it 0. 2 0 we can make, and then we can expand. So for that, what you will do, you subtract, you replace r2 with r2 minus r1, and similarly r3 is replaced with r3 minus r1. Now you have, I will write here a plus b plus c is there, and now first row we can write as it is 5a minus 2a plus b, and this is 1. Now second row is subtracted with row 1. So what you will get here, you will get here minus 2b and minus 2b, minus 2b minus 4a. Similarly here what you will get, r2 5b minus 2a, will get plus 2a minus b, that is 4b. So minus 2a will get minus minus will get plus, so plus 2a plus minus. One second, I will do here, so it will be easy to understand. That is 5b minus r1. r1 is what? This minus 2a plus b, so this will be plus 2a minus b plus 5b, so plus 4a. So it will be plus 4b, and this will be 0. Similarly in last r3 minus r1, so r3 minus r1 you will get minus 2 will be as it is 2c, and minus 5a, so it will be minus 4a. Similarly here minus 2a and 0 0, that will 2b will get cancelled out, so you will be left with 2a minus 2c, 2a minus 2c, and this is 0. Now we can expand this along this r1, we can expand this along this, so say negative positive negative. Okay, now if we expand this along this, so we have to do this and this. So a plus b plus c is there, and if we multiply these two, okay, we have to multiply these two, so we will write here first minus 2b minus 4a multiplied by 2a minus 2c minus of minus 2c minus 4a, this is not its part, and this here is 2a plus 4b. Okay, now we will solve this. So if you solve this, a plus b plus c will be as it is, and we will solve this minus 2b, this will become minus 4ab, and this will become minus minus will get plus 4bc. Similarly this will become minus 8a square, and this will become plus 8ac. This will be minus, first we will solve this, so 2 minus 4ac, this will be minus 4 to 8ac minus 8a square, and this will be plus minus 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 4 4 just 16 AB. This is our okay. Now if you open this 8a square and 8a square, this will become plus, so this will get cancel out. Okay, now I will solve here. A plus B plus C will be written as it is, and this is minus 4AB. Minus 4AB, this will become plus 4. So plus 4, so it is now first we will take common from here 4, so it is easy for us to calculate. So this will be minus AB plus BC plus 2AC plus AC plus AC. It is not AC, I think some mistake is there. This is 4AC. When I have added this 2 minus 2AC minus BC, sorry, this is BC. Okay, this is BC. So plus 4BC, and this will be plus 4, I have taken example, 4AB. 4AB. I think I have not made some mistake here. I have taken 4 common. Okay, I have not taken from here common. So this is, one second, 4AB, here I have taken 4 to 2AC, then here from 4AC get cancelled to 4AC, so here it will be B only, and here also BC, 4AC, where it is gone? 3 terms, 4AB, BC and AC we have got from here. This is AC and this is BC plus, and this is 4 just 16. Now okay, now if you 4 we have taken common, so what we are left with? We are left with 4A plus B plus C. Now here this 4A get subtracted to 3AB. This is 2AC plus 3AC, and this is also here BC. Here it will be, sorry, 2 will be there, so this will become 3BC. So if you take common from here 3, the 4 3 are 12, and we can write A plus B plus C, and last term it will be AB plus BC plus AC. So this is equals to right hand side. So we have proved it is equal to right hand side. Hope all these steps are clear to you. So like this you can solve in with minimum reduction. You can solve this question in your question paper, and you will apply these tricks. Now comes the next question. So next question is this 9 using the determinant 1 plus So in this question we have to prove that this is equals to 9 3x 9 3x 9 into 3x plus y x y z x y plus y z plus z x. So as we have so many ones here, so we can make it 0 as much as possible. Okay, 1 second, here it is somewhat mistake, it is 1 I think, because no 1 is there, so this is 1 only. A term is not here, so it is 1. Now we will start with left hand side. So first step what we'll do, we will replace C2 will be replaced with C2 minus C1 and C3 is replaced with C3 minus C1. So column we are doing. So let's write what we have done. We will write first column as it is. First column we will write as it is 1 plus 3y and 1. This step C2 minus C1, this will become 0. 1 get cancel out, this will become minus 3y. Here also 1 get cancel, minus 3z. Similarly last column 1 plus 3x minus 1, so we will left with 3x. Here 1 get cancel, 3y, and here it will become 0. Okay, now take common 3 from where you can take from first row, and first from column 2 and column 3 you can take 3 common. So second step is take, this is our first step. Next step, take common 3 from C2 and C3. This is second step. So now what we are left with, if we take 3 common here into 3, 2 3's are coming. So first we are writing first column as it is 1 plus 3y 1. This is 0 minus y minus z. This is x y and 0. This is, sorry, minus y is there, not written. This is 1 column 3 minus 1 minus, so it is minus is there. Okay, now what you can do, you will make one more 0. So for that what we will do, you replace C3 with C3 minus x C1. So then what we are left with, first column as it is 1 plus 3y 1 0 minus y minus z. Last row we have multiplied x in C1 and subtracted, so it will become 0. Last x is multiplied in C1, so x last is minus y minus x and minus 3xy. Similarly last will become 1 minus 0 minus x. So here you will get x here. Now if you expand it along this row 1 first term, so this and this you will get. So 9 is there, and now you are expanding it along this one, this and this. So xy minus, and z is multiplied, minus z multiplied y minus x minus 3xy. So here you will get plus 3xy, 9 is common, and you are getting here, I will write it again first, this sign with sign change, minus of minus minus get plus, so plus minus zy, this will be minus minus again minus, so minus xz minus xz, we will write minus zy is become positive, this minus minus will become positive, so here will be positive, this minus minus will become positive, so 3xy z. Now minus z is there, minus z, one second, let me check, minus z, now it is minus z, we have not did any c2, yes, one second, c2, this is, oh sorry, this is plus only, plus, so what, as we have 1 plus 3z minus z, 1 cancelled, so plus 3z will be there, so it is z, so this is z, so this will be positive, sorry for the little mistake, sign change, so now it is 9, and write it as 3xyz okay, plus xy plus yz plus zx. So now it is equals to right hand side, hence proved. Now comes by little mistake you will not get the answer, so very careful with the sign changes. I have made here little mistake, so my answer is not coming. So always first recheck after doing some step, you recheck your steps, otherwise whole answer will be get wrong. So next question, question number 10. Okay, so question 10, in this, if you take, first we will take common A, B and C, A, B and C from column, we will take common, I am writing here, take common A, B, C from C1, C2, C3, from each column you have to take A. So if you are taking A common from column 1, so A, it is left with A plus B and B. So A came here, we are solving the left hand side. Now if you take B from here, you write B here, and it will be left with B, sorry, it is left with C, B and B plus C, and this is if we will take C common from here, we are left with C plus A and C. Now as we have to apply rows and column operation, we will interchange these two, so that it is, we will interchange these two. So one interchange give you one sign, negative sign, another interchange give you one negative sign, so overall it will become positive. So now finally we will write here, after interchanging, here C is there, so after if you interchange this, so we have done what, A plus B is here and B and A, and we have interchanged this R1 to R2 and R2 to R1, so R1 will become R2, A, C and A plus C. Now B plus C and C. We are doing this because if we apply operation, then it will be easy for, now if we add R1 plus R2 plus R3 and subtract with this R1, so it is easy for you to understand. Now what I am going to do, next step I will replace R1 with R1 minus R1 plus R2. So what you are left with, we are applying in this, so first R1 minus R1 plus R2, so it is become 0, and this is B plus 2C minus B, B get cancel out, here you are left with minus 2c. Similarly, a plus 2c minus a minus a plus 2c, that is minus 2c. It will become minus 2c. Now similarly, last two rows will become will be written as it is: a, c, a plus c, and b, b plus c, and c. Now you can take common from here 2. So if you take common from here 2, you take, I will do these two steps simultaneously. I will take common from here 2, take 2 common from R1 and then replace R2 with R2 plus R1 and R3 with R3 plus R1. Now, so if we have taken common 2 A, B, C, so we are left with row 1 as it is: 0, minus C, minus C. Now what you are doing, you are replacing R1, R2 with R2 plus R1. So R2 plus R1. So first it is same A, and second if you adding this one with C, this C, so it will become 0, and here C, A plus C, plus minus, so minus get cancel out, you are left with A. Similarly R3 plus R1, B will be as it is, and here C is left out with us, so B plus C plus minus C get cancel out, we are left with B, and here we will get 0. So in these all place you have get 0. Now what you can do, you can take C from row R1 common, from here you can take C common, from here you can take A common, here you can take B common from R1, R2 and R3. So we are left with 2A square, B square, C square, and answer is 0, minus 1, 1, 0, 1 and 1, 1, 0. Okay. Now one step more you have to do. What you can do, you can replace C2 with C2 minus C3. So here 2A square, B square, C square, and 0, 1, 1. Second row column is replaced with C2 minus C1, so it will be 0. Here I left with minus 1, and here 1, and minus 1, 1, 0 is as it is. Okay. Now if you expand along this, so if you expand along this, minus sign is there and one more minus, this will become positive. So if you expand this, so you will get 1 and this and this, 1 minus plus, minus of minus 1 plus 1, so this is 2. So you will get here, means you are having 2A square, B square, C square, and 2 is multiplied, so it will become 4A square, B square, C square. It is equals to right hand side. So minimum number of steps I have done, so that you will get steps, you will get understand, and you solve this very quickly. Comment taken. Hope you have understand this. So next question, and this is similar to the previous question. If you multiply in this B square, B, and here A, you will get, here you multiply A, here you multiply B, here you multiply C. So that will be the previous 10th question only. So it is more easy because we are escaped from taking this ABC one time, ABC common. So this will be easy for you. So in this, as we did that, again I will solve for you. For first step, you will apply R1 replaced with R1 minus R1 plus R2 plus R3, because B plus C, if we get minus from this, here it will become 0. So first step is 0 here, 2C plus A minus this, so here it is minus 2C. Similarly here you are left with minus 2B, and second these two rows will be written as it is, C plus A, B, C, C, A plus B. Okay, now you can take common 2 from here. You can take here from here common minus 2. So you're left with 0, B, C, minus C, C plus A, C, and minus, as we have taken minus, so it will be plus B, B, A plus B. Now you apply, replace R2 with R2 minus R1 and R3 with R3 minus R1. So what you will get, I will write here. First row will be written as it is, 0, C, B. Okay, now second row is subtracted from this, is subtracted from this, so B, it is B only, that is C plus A minus C, so here left with A, last is it will become 0. Now again R3 minus R1, so here it is C only, this will become 0, and A plus B minus B, here it is A. Now what you can do, you can take common from C2 and C3. Take C common from C2. So now minus 2 is there, we are taking this is second step, this is first step. Now third step, take common C2, say C, and from C3 you take common B. From C2 you take common C, and from C3 you take common B. So C and B will write here. First column we will write as it is 0, BC. From here we are taking common C. Okay, so it is 1 here, A by C, and here it is 0. Similarly it is here 1, here 0, here A by B. Okay, now if you subtract this, one step more we are doing here. What we will do, replace C2 with C2 minus C3, because we are, this is third step right here, third step, and this is fourth step. Now if you do this, what you are having, you are having once again equal to here minus 2CB you are having. First column will be as it is, 0BC. Second column if you subtract, so first element will be 0 and C2 minus C3, so A by C will be written as it is, A by C, and this will become minus A by B. Third column also we can write as it is, A by B. Now if you are having two zeros here, and this you can expand it along this, so this will be get off, this and this will go off, you are left with this one. One second, 1 second, no, sorry, this and this will go off now. You are left with this and this, so minus 2cb, and you are left with b into a by b minus, then minus of AC upon C. So here B get cancelled, yes, C get cancelled. So you are left with minus 2A square. So minus 2CB and minus 2A not square. So this minus get cancelled out. So answer is 4ABC. So that is equals to right hand side. Sorry, this is, I have done mistake here, not it is like that. This and this will cut off, and we will do first this, and this will get as a determinant. So we have proved it. Hope you have understood. I have done this with the little step, and try to solve it with as less step as much possible. So hope you have understood this question. Now thank you for the watching, and if you have any query you can write us in our mail ID samatvaacademy.com, and we will, after this we will upload some more questions in our website. So for exercise you can visit to our website.